I've really enjoyed working on this project. It has had its challenges. The first challenge that I found was this room. It has great high ceilings, as you can see, but it was just all getting lost. Everything was cream. So I asked my clients if they would allow me to use this bold wallpaper all the way around the room, and as you can see, it's totally transformed the space. I'm in love with it, and I want to show you what else we've done in this apartment, so come and have a look.